Question number 66. If Ka of acetic acid is 1.75 into 10 raised to the power minus 5, then hydrolysis constant of 0.2 molar aqueous solution of sodium acetate will be. Student, we know that the value of Kh is equals to Kw upon Ka. Kw is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 14. Ka is given, which is 1.75 into 10 raised to the power minus 5, which is equals to 5.7 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Student, I have already multiplied and divided the entire equations. I'm again telling you, please avoid using calculator. Try to solve these questions with your hands only. That means the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to the next question, which is question number 67. Let's read it. The pH at which calcium hydroxide starts to precipitate if the solution contains 5.5 molar calcium ion. The Ksp of calcium hydroxide is equals to 5.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Student, here we are given with the Ksp value of calcium hydroxide, also with the concentration of Ca2 plus ion. So ultimately we have to answer pH. That means we have to first calculate the concentration of OH minus ion. We know that calcium hydroxide gives Ca2 plus 2 OH minus ion. Ksp is equals to concentration of Ca2 plus concentration of OH minus ka whole twice. So first we will be calculating concentration of OH minus ion, which is equals to Ksp upon concentration of Ca2 plus ion. The value of Ksp is 5.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 6, and the value of concentration of calcium ion is 5.5, which is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 6. Also, the concentration of hydroxide ion will be 10 raised to the power minus 3 molar. Now students, we have to calculate pH. So first we will be calculating pOH, which is equals to minus log concentration of OH ion. So minus log 10 raised to the power minus 3, which is equals to 3. So pH is equals to 14 minus 3, which is equals to 11. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to the next question, students, which is question number 68. Let's read the question. Which of the following salt undergoes cationic hydrolysis? Students, the salt of strong acid and weak base undergo cationic hydrolysis. Option number 1, NH4Cl is a salt of strong acid and weak base. That means will undergo cationic hydrolysis. This NaHCO3, this is a salt of weak acid and strong base. NaNO3, this is a salt of strong acid, strong base. NaCl, this is a salt of weak acid and strong base. That means the correct answer is option number 1. Moving to the next question, which is question number 69. Let's read it. In which of the following reactions Kc is greater than Kp? Students, we know that Kp is equals to Kc RT raised to the power delta Ng. We have to answer that for which reaction Kc is greater than Kp. So the reaction for which the value of delta Ng is less than 0. In those reactions, the value of Kc is greater than that of Kp. So in option number 1, the value of delta Ng is greater than 0, that is 1. In option number 2, the value of delta Ng is again equals to 1, that is greater than 0. In option number 3, the value of delta Ng is equals to 0. In option number 4, the value of delta Ng is equals to minus 1, that is less than 0. That means for the fourth reaction, the value of Kc is greater than that of Kp. So the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Question number 70. If the solubility product of a salt A2B3 is 1.08 into 10 raised to the power minus 23, then its solubility in the aqueous solution will be. Student, the salt we are given with A2B3. On dissociation, it gives 2A3 positive plus 3B2 minus. And the value for Ksp is equals to A3 plus raised to the power 2 B2 minus raised to the power 3. So here if I'm taking the solubility of A2, B3 is S mole per liter. So the concentration of A3 minus ion will be 2S and here it will be 3S. So 2S square 3S cube, that is equals to 4S square 27S cube, that is equals to 108S5, and the value of KSP is 1.08 into 10 raised to the power minus 23. So the value of solubility will be 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 mole per liter. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Students, and I'm again telling you that avoid using calculator, start solving these questions with your hands, and by the time the speed will be increased. Don't worry about the speed right now. The speed will be increased by the time. Moving to the next question.